Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create viral Instagram content using Kapwing. Kapwing is perfect for making Instagram reels that actually perform because it combines editing, resizing captions, and AI tools in one place. So in order to do that, open any of the web browser you prefer. Over here in the top, there's an address bar. Type down kapwing.com and enter it here. After that, you can simply go to this create new icon in the plus and select to this upload media on the left hand side and click onto this upload here, and it will automatically open to the library. Simply select one of the video that you want to make a viral Instagram content, and after that you can choose a format that works on the right hand side here. You can select to the safe zones here. You can select to this Instagram and go to this resize canvas here, and this is the ideal format for the Instagram reels. You can also hook viewers in the first 3 seconds. You can add big bold text at start. You can go to this text on the left hand side and type down the text for and type down the text onto this editing timeline here, and you can also change the styles and fonts here as well. And you can also use the caption in the left hand side. You can go to the subtitle here. You can select to the auto subtitle, and you can select to the language here as well. And you can add the captions by selecting to this auto subtitle here, and that is it. This is how you can create viral Instagram content using Kapwing. And after you're done with editing and exporting, and you can simply upload to your Instagram. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.